Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 31st of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Going to look at cable now, and cable has rallied again. It's fairly choppy, isn't it, over the last sort of 3 or 4 weeks really. There's no real defined trend, I think, in the last sort of few weeks, and the market sort of has been chopping around. Had a couple of days last week where it looked as though the market was gaining traction to the downside, and then bang, you've had a rebound from that new support. 30.70. Strong candle to the upside, about 100 pips actually of upside yesterday, and it's sort of regained a bit of upside initially. I mean, you look at this momentum and you see the RSI sort of basically bang on 50, MACD lines sort of bottoming, but basically flat, and the stochastics sort of hovering around sort of 40, 50 area. So it all sort of paints a picture of a market that is still looking for direction. It is holding up above 130 big figure, so that is certainly a positive, and that recent floor of 30.25 is intact. Yeah, it's all fairly positive on a medium to longer term basis still, but for now the market is looking for direction. So many different factors are driving cable higher and lower, ebb and flow on almost a daily basis on this chart. So in recent times, so it's very short termist, I think, in terms of strategy that would be successful. As I said, we've had this sort of recovery play. This is the hourly chart where you can see a little uptrend in play, which is holding today, and today's low 31.90 is obviously supportive of that. Beyond that, you're looking at a bit of a pivot at 31.40, but to be honest, it's sort of coming up back towards this old pivot of 32.30 area, which had been in place throughout October. So it's a bit of a pivot that I think could provide a bit of a ceiling. If you break above that, then you look at 32.80 again. 32.80 is a key level on a near-term basis, obviously, but not sort of outlook defining by any means, but it's just sort of a tighter resistance in place below that 33.35 resistance. So yeah, you're still really searching for direction, and the market is unsure. I think you could see direction back end of this week, obviously, with the massive US decisions of Trump on the Fed chair, and also tax reform, but also the Bank of England as well on Thursday. And I mean, that's not even to talk about the Fed, which is on Wednesday, and also non-farm payrolls. So much could provide direction, but at the moment the market is looking for direction to give it something, and it's not really doing it yet. So fairly much on the fence on cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.